All right, this is a really quick Klaviyo tutorial on how to create a predictive analytics flow, or Klaviyo's expected day of next order is kind of what we call it, expected day of next order flow. It's a post-purchase flow. You can see we have it created here with the trigger. Basically, you can use Klaviyo's data analytics and machine learning arm, if you will, to create this flow that is going to base off their consumer lifetime value if they may or may not purchase again. So I'm going to show you how to create what Klaviyo Predictive Analytics is, number one. Number two, how to create the flow itself, messaging, examples, results. So here we go. So understanding Klaviyo's predictive analytics, basically Klaviyo combines data science and machine learning techniques to your account to bring useful and actionable insights. You won't be able to see this inside a Klaviyo account unless you're hitting a couple different things. So you have to have at least 500 customers placing an order, obviously an e-com integration like Shopify, 180 days of order history, and you need someone you need customers who place 3 or more orders, right? So inside the Klaviyo profile, you'll see a predictive analytics section of any subscriber. And so like, what is this doing, right? Like if you really like think about it, all this is doing is Klaviyo is saying, hey, like we are looking at your account and your specific customer's order behavior and the behavior of all customers. And if the customer's orders are exhibiting a pattern, like they may or may not purchase again based off, the natural activity inside of an account. And if naturally someone buys and then 30 to 50 days later they buy again, it wants to recognize that. So if you go here to this profile, you'll see the predictive analytics pop up here. So we clicked on the subscriber profile, and now we can see the total customer lifetime value. It's $103. Well, historically, they've only bought so far, this individual customer, like $60. The predicted CLV is like $43. So that's pretty much it. They have all this history. They use their, a machine learning tool to say like, hey, they may buy again. And so what does this mean for you? So so what you can do if you have enough data in your account is you can make a segment. So anyone who enters this Klaviyo's predicted date of next order segment is likely to buy again. And so we want to be able to trigger an email if they ever enter the segment. So you create segment. Here you go Klaviyo expected date of next order here. Let's do 2. You go to properties about someone. You go to expected date of next order. You could say, in the next, let's say 2 weeks, this person is likely to buy again. So what this basically is doing is if anyone enters into this machine learning arm saying like, hey, they may or may not buy again, we're going to say, cool, once they are in the next few weeks using, Klaviyo's machine learning, they're saying they may or may not buy again from you, they enter into this segment, right? So we'll create the segment. We already actually have the segment. So I'm not going to wait for this. So if we go to expected, we have 9,600 people in this list, right? So that's quite a bit. And so what we do is we go, I can just actually show you the flow itself. I have it right here. So we created this trigger. It's very easy to create this trigger. Let's do it from scratch. Let's go flows, create flow, build your own, expected day of next order, create manually. Okay, added to segment is the trigger. Recommended triggers are all here. All triggers added to segment. Your metrics, recommended, see all triggers. Okay, it's right here. Expected day of next order, boom, save. That's it. So, we've covered so far very quickly what this is. It's basically someone is very likely to buy again post-purchase. So they go into this little machine learning segment that Klaviyo's triggered. We created it. Now we have it. Whenever someone enters this segment, we want to send them an email. So let's go back and exit. Let's go home. We have this currently working for a client, expected date of next order. If we go to the last 30 days, this says got a 35% open rate, a click rate of 3%, and a place order rate of 0.4%. So what is like the messaging, right? So Mama Bear Oasis, your thoughts matter to us. We hope you enjoyed your recent purchase. We'd love to hear how it's working for you. Check out our other products that might be just as helpful for you and your family. Shop now. So very generic and simple wording, to be honest with you. It doesn't have to be anything special. It's just like a reminder. Like, you know, this is almost teeing up a review request email. We didn't ask for a review. We were just saying like, hey, you know, kind of like respond to this email if you want, you know, check out our other products. We're just like inserting ourselves inside this customer journey, right? And so it's really simple, really straightforward. Just double check, and I'll link in the profile the Klaviyo Predictive Analytics, like kind of how to here. Yeah, if you apply for this, it's such an easy way to pick up extra revenue post-purchase. Go create the segment, go create the trigger, add in the flow, and boom, start making money ASAP. This is it. I mean, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Yeah, this will be one of many tutorials. So I'm gonna do tutorials on flows, campaigns, segmenting, subject lines, design, copywriting. This is the first of many, many tutorials. On Max, I own an email marketing agency called RevScale. I've been doing this the last couple of years. We help a variety of different people: supplements, cosmetics, skincare, apparel, accessories, jewelry, you name it, we've done it. High fashion, low fashion, yeah, everything. So if you ever need help, click also the link in my bio, check out my website, check out my Twitter, like, subscribe. Yeah, I'm planning on uploading a lot of tutorial videos. So this is the first of many. Just want something really quick and easy.